Hello everyone, and this is Edmond Midaros channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to disable or turn off Microsoft Newsfeed on the Microsoft Edge new tab page. Alright, so without further ado, let's go ahead at ipalo lang ang step-by-step method nito. Ang next step ay kailangan lang natin yung open ang Microsoft Edge web browser. So open lang natin to. At makikita mo kaagad dito yung tinatawag na Microsoft News. Okay? So pag i-discover natin dito ay makikita mo yung iba't ibang klase ng news at iba pa. Kung paano ba natin ito i-disable or i-turn off, dito lang sa right side, dito sa taas ay click mo na itong tatlong dot and then kailangan mo nang select yung settings. Dito sa settings ay kailangan mo nang select yung start home and new tabs. And then next ay kailangan mo nang select yung new tab page, customize your new tab page, layout and content. And then kailangan mo nang select tong customize. At direct agad tayo dito sa kanyang page settings. Kung paano ba natin ito i-disable or i-turn off. And then scroll lang tayo at select lang natin yung content. Okay, so click lang natin tong arrow na to. And then kailangan mo lang i-click tong content off. So click lang natin to. Ayan, so makikita nyo dito na na-turn off na yung Microsoft Newsfeed. Okay, so kung gusto mo naman itong ibalik, so simple lang naman, click mo lang tong page settings. And then, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung content. Okay, so click mo tong arrow na to. And then, nandito yung kanyang mga options. Kung gusto mo ng content visible, partially visible, or headings only. So, click na natin yung pinakauna. And then, bumalik na yung tinatawag na Microsoft News. Ayan. So, ganoon lang po kasimple mga kaibigan. Okay, and hope na sundan nyo ang ating step-by-step method. At maraming salamat. At nakapag-share ako ng bagong kaalaman. At kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and hit the bell notification to stay updated with more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next vlogs.